will move around soon by myself.
Well, that's awesome, Chuck. We appreciate you calling in and
Near
letting
100
everybody know
miles
what a
an
great
hour
job
to keep
our
up with
medical
this
workers
cop.
are doing out there in our community.
Bound approaching the 212 split to 526. Apparently this was an earlier non-injury accident. A couple of emergency vehicles are still on the scene, and again, they are blocking the right lane. So use care going by there. Drive carefully. I'm Sherry Bernardi.
Need to manage a changing workforce? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit expresspros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support you.
Yes, sir. Can I see your supervisor? What? You was doing 100 miles an hour when you went past me. I got you on my speedometer. You was doing 100 miles an hour, sir.
All right.
And you didn't have your blue lights on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
If I did that, you'd pull me over and give me a ticket.
Why not?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you wearing your seatbelt?
I just took it off because I thought I was going to get out and talk to you.
All right. Well, great. If you have an issue with what I did,
Yes, sir. What's your name and badge number,
you can
please?
see it right there. You can call Charleston County.
What's your name and badge number, sir? You're supposed to tell your name and badge number to anybody who asks, sir. That's your policy. Okay, 82247. There you go, guys and gals. You see tyranny at its best. Tyranny at its best, y'all. Tyranny at its best. He's a cop. What he did was clock me. He's a cop that clocks people. Okay, he's got a clock in the back of his radar in the back of his window. That's how he knew he seen me speeding. I was doing 100 miles an hour catching up with him. And you see, I followed him. I'm going to let him pull me over. I was going to pull him over. And that's exactly what I did. And now you see what he did. I said, you'd have pulled me over and gave me a ticket for that, would I? Yeah, you dang no sure would have.
Oh, another staying off the plate. Oh, yeah. Get out of here, Audi. Get in your own lane. Fuck are you doing, dude? Fuck you. What are you doing?
Somebody gets it, no problem. We don't get, we'll just quarantine them.
Oh my gosh, this Toyota just almost hit this Chevy. And he almost hit me while he was passing too. What a lunatic. And then he's going to make a last-second exit dive. What an absolute lunatic.